Welcome to our channel where today we will walk you through the exact steps to verify your Upwork freelancer profile with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel where today we will walk you through the exact steps to verify your Upwork freelancer profile with ease and confidence. Verification on Upwork is a crucial step that not only increases your credibility, but also unlocks more opportunities to connect with clients worldwide. Let's dive right into the process to make sure your profile stands out and is trusted by potential clients. First, log into your Upwork account and navigate to your profile page. In the profile menu, locate the option for verification or identity verification. Upwork requires you to confirm your identity, usually through a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure your ID is valid and the information matches your profile details. The next step involves uploading a clear photo of your ID. Ensure it is well lit and all text is legible. Blurry or cropped images may lead to rejection. After you submit your ID, Upwork might ask you to complete a video verification where you confirm your identity by matching your face to your ID. This helps prevent fraud and protects both freelancers and clients. Follow the instructions carefully during the video verification and ensure you are in a well-lit environment without distractions. Once the verification documents and video are submitted, Upwork will review them. This review typically takes a few days, so be patient but keep an eye on your notifications for any requests for additional information. After successful verification, your profile will display a verified badge, which boosts your profile's trustworthiness and makes you more attractive to clients. Remember that accuracy and honesty are key throughout this process. Falsifying any information can result in suspension of your account. In addition, maintaining an updated profile with a professional photo, work history, and relevant skills will complement your verification and boost your chances of winning projects. By following these steps carefully, you will enhance your credibility on Upwork and increase your chances of landing great freelance gigs. Don't overlook the importance of verification. It's not just a formality, but a gateway to a more successful freelancing career. Make sure to keep your profile up to date and respond promptly to communications for the best experience on the platform. Now that you have the step-by-step guide, you can confidently verify your Upwork profile and open the door to many freelance opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips and tutorials.